In front of me is UMIDIGI F1, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach your phone dialer and then tap on More icon. Here you will notice Settings, Smoothly Mark it, and go to Call Blocking. And here you can smoothly block a number by tapping on Add a Number, and here just enter the phone number that you would like to block. Click on Block then, and that's it. From now on this number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any calls or messages from this contact. Whenever you want to release it from block, just click on cross icon and tap on Unblock. From now on this number will be able to reach you, will be able to send you a message or call you. And that's it. This is how you can create a blacklist in your device, how you can block some numbers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.